Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Mommy Joy, and today's video we are going to make pet shampoo. This kit can make 16 to 18 liters of pet shampoo. Components of pet shampoo: S-less, sodium chloride, pearl white, conditioner, moisturizer, EDTA, scent, colorant, aloe vera, antibac, foam booster, pearl whitener, acid balance, and madre de cacao. So, ang gagawin natin sa first step, half salt, 1 liter of water, at saka S-less. Pagsasama-samahin lang natin and then mix well. Haluin lang ng maigi hanggang lumapot at matunaw ang sodium chloride or asin. Maghanda ng isang timba na may 15 liters of water. Pagkatapos, ilagay na ang mga component o materials na dapat ilagay. Antibac, moisturizer, EDTA, aloe vera, preservatives, madre de cacao, conditioner, foam booster, pearl white, scent, colorant, acid balancer, and pearl whitener. Ihalo na rin natin yung natitirang kalahati na sodium chloride. Last step, i-combine na natin yung mga first step doon sa isang separate na timba na may 15 liters of water kasama ng mga nilagay nating component. Haluin lang ng maigi hanggang sa lumapot at magsama-sama na ang lahat ng mga components. Benefits of madre de cacao: anti-tick and flea, anti-fungal, anti-mange, deodorizer skin, regrow fur loss, treat skin infection, treat tick bites and rashes. Did you know that aloe vera is also good for your pet? This use as natural defense against mosquito, tick and flea, and also create shining, revitalizing look. Hi guys! Until my next video. See you! Sa gusto palang bumili ng kit ng pet shampoo, available yan. Click nyo lang po yung link sa baba. Thank you! Bye!